What if I told you that your mindset could shape your reality? Join me as I put the power of technique to the test and see if I can actually attract what I want in my life. Welcome. In today's video, we're diving deep into the question, can technique really help you attract what you want? From the law of attraction to manifestation and visualization, we're exploring the methods people swear by, and we're putting one of them to the test. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you wish, nothing changes? So many people believe that simply wanting something is enough, that by thinking about it occasionally, the universe will magically deliver. But let's be real. How often do those passing wishes actually turn into reality? The gap between desire and achievement can feel massive, and often it leaves us feeling frustrated and stuck. So the big question is there a technique that actually bridges that gap? That's what we're exploring today. Before we dive into our demonstration, let's talk about some popular manifestation techniques people use and why they matter. First up, visualization. Seeing your desire in your mind's eye, living it as if it's already real. Visualization helps you align your subconscious mind with your goal, making it more likely you'll take inspired action. Then there's affirmations, repeated positive statements that rewire your brain to believe in your ability to achieve. Affirmations can help dissolve limiting beliefs that hold you back from success. And of course, there's goal setting. Writing down specific, measurable, actionable steps that make your desire tangible and achievable. It's not just about dreaming, it's about creating a roadmap for action. But today, we're focusing on a powerful technique called the wouldn't it be nice technique. This simple but effective practice invites you to frame your desire in a gentle, open-ended statement or question. Wouldn't it be nice if I'm already living my dream life? Wouldn't it be nice if money flows to me effortlessly? Wouldn't it be nice if everything always worked out for me? This technique eases resistance and invites your subconscious mind to imagine new possibilities, activating your creative energy and allowing your desires to flow more naturally. Let's try this together right now. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you'd like, and take a deep breath. Now, repeat after me or simply listen and let the words sink in. Wouldn't it be nice if today is the day everything starts working out in my favor? Wouldn't it be nice if opportunities are lining up for me in ways I can't even imagine? Wouldn't it be nice if I'm worthy of all the abundance I desire? Wouldn't it be nice if success comes easily and naturally to me? Wouldn't it be nice if every step I take is guided by divine inspiration? Wouldn't it be nice if my income is constantly increasing effortlessly? Wouldn't it be nice if I'm already living my purpose and making a difference? Wouldn't it be nice if my relationships are deeply fulfilling and loving? Wouldn't it be nice if I always have more than enough? Wouldn't it be nice if every challenge is leading me to something better? Wouldn't it be nice if I wake up every day feeling energized and inspired? Wouldn't it be nice if my creativity flows effortlessly and abundantly? Wouldn't it be nice if new ideas and solutions come to me easily? Wouldn't it be nice if I feel safe, supported, and loved in every situation? Wouldn't it be nice if my health is vibrant and strong? Wouldn't it be nice if I'm surrounded by people who uplift and inspire me? Wouldn't it be nice if unexpected blessings show up in my life daily? Wouldn't it be nice if I receive all the resources I need to achieve my dreams? Wouldn't it be nice if my work feels purposeful and rewarding? Wouldn't it be nice if I attract abundance in every area of my life? Wouldn't it be nice if I trust myself fully to make the right choices? Wouldn't it be nice if my confidence grows every day? Wouldn't it be nice if I feel a deep sense of peace and fulfillment? Wouldn't it be nice if every day is filled with joy and laughter? Wouldn't it be nice if my dreams manifest with ease and grace? Wouldn't it be nice if my actions are always divinely guided? Wouldn't it be nice if I celebrate every win, big or small? Wouldn't it be nice if I radiate positivity wherever I go? Wouldn't it be nice if I receive love, abundance, and success effortlessly? Wouldn't it be nice if I'm aligned with my highest self at all times? Wouldn't it be nice if every dream of mine soon becomes my reality? Notice how this gentle questioning opens the door to possibility rather than pushing against resistance. This is the power of wouldn't it be nice? It shifts your vibration from doubt to curiosity, from tension to openness. This is where the magic happens. Instead of clinging to your desire with desperation, you're releasing attachment and inviting the universe to surprise and delight you. Think of it like planting seeds of possibility in your subconscious mind. Seeds that grow with your belief, your openness, and your joy. For example, let's say you want financial abundance. Instead of repeating, "I want more money," which reinforces the lack, you can say, "Wouldn't it be nice if money shows up in unexpected and delightful ways?" This invites a playful, receptive energy that aligns with the vibration of abundance. The "wouldn't it be nice" technique is a bridge between wanting and allowing, between hoping and believing. It's not about forcing or wishing. It's about letting your heart and mind open to the possibility of your dreams unfolding naturally. So, can technique really help you attract what you want? The answer is yes, but only if you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. The "wouldn't it be nice" technique is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to let go of resistance and invite the universe to co-create with you. Remember, it's about allowing, not forcing, and trusting that what you want is already on its way. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite "wouldn't it be nice" statement? Share it in the comments below, and let's support each other in manifesting our dreams. Don't forget to subscribe and join me in the next video. Your journey to a life of improvement starts now.